Hi guys, so I'm gonna show you how to install this little guy to disable the auto start stop function in the 2020 Subaru Forester. It also works for other years as far as I know, so this was bought on Amazon. I haven't found any useful videos on YouTube, so I would like to show how to do it. So we will open the compartment of the fuses here, and what we can see is basically we need to connect to from the other side to this button which disables the function. So we need to connect this in line with this button. So what we can see is there is a connector on this side, and I'll try to show you. So this is the connector we need to disconnect. So I will try to do it. So we need to press the little like notch here, and then it will go off. So I will do it, and I will continue video from there. So once this was disconnected, I will connect inline the one this plug that I have from Amazon. Okay, it should click when you connect it, and then you will plug the other side into the same spot as we disconnected this guy. I will try to show you, but it will be hard to see. But basically this goes here. Okay, so it's now clicked in place, and we'll try to start the car and see whether it works well. Disable it myself, but let's try now to turn it off and on and to see whether it is